my honey goddesses. Today we are finna go to the beach, and yes, I got my bathing suit on. My mom is coming with me, and then we have all this stuff back there. We got the boogie board. Oh, then we got this to make like sand castles and stuff. And yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get to the beach. Okay, so you guys, I'm about to try this drink. It's from White Duck. Hold on, let me show you the logo. Yeah, but I'm gonna try it. What flavor did you get? Snowberry. Hey, try mine from here. It's okay. What the hell is that? You didn't even tell me what it was, dude. What are you drinking? This one's a salted caramel. No, espresso. It kind of tastes like they put espresso in it. What have been I had? I'll take it back and get 2 drinks. Not gonna lie, taste it. I hope not. Let me see if they help the hair. They help the hair the same? Oh yeah. Cause they be having hair in their stuff, not gonna lie. Sorry y'all. Hold the hair strands, please. And this is my mom said that to them before. So like hold the hair strands. For real. Be cautious. But yeah, this is the snowberry one. And my mom has the salted caramel.
What if you let me show you how to love it. What if you choke them on the hair strands ices?
That's nasty. Don't say ew, how about Okay, so you guys, we made it to the beach, and we're at a spot, and it's very like windy and shady because it was over there. Hold on, I'm it was over there where like this spot was like sunny and stuff. But over here it's like windy or whatever, and then the beach is right here, so that's good. Y'all look. Let's see if it's cold. Oh, it's kind of warm. I'm not gonna lie. Well, I have to take this thing off. Okay, so you guys, this kind of sand castle is looking, but not really like a castle like that. Oh yeah, but then I don't know, just like a boat thing going around it. Oh yeah, right there. Like going around like that, and then it's on water right here. That just came there because like how deep I have it, but yeah, it's dirty though. And I was thinking about adding water all around here, but it's not gonna stay like all of it is just gonna like clump like that. But unless I build it like deeper like this is very satisfying to play with, y'all. But y'all probably like, why is she building a castle and she about to go in high school? But anyway, y'all, because it's satisfying to make or whatever. And yeah, I'm at the Villa Sand Castle, and it's not really, ooh, y'all fell. It's not really like it's not pointy like that, like the bucket, because the type of sand I have on. But I'm gonna try. Let me try to build like a fort thing. Yeah, I got a little antennas. I mean, I could have a seashell. Hold on. It's gonna be, the sand castle is gonna be called Sally's Seashore Castle. Yeah. Hold on, if I have water. Oh wait. Water. So convenient. Okay, I emptied it out. There, I'm gonna put it on top right there. And this, let me see how it is. So I have one like right here, but the last time I tried to open it, yeah, I keep doing this. Ooh. Look, y'all. I don't think this one's gonna like form good, but I'm trying. I had this one on for like probably like 5 minutes and it did that. I had this one on for 10 minutes, but it still didn't go. But I'm just gonna like deepen down the moat so I can pour water in here. I'm gonna put some water in this fish thing, right quick. So hold on, y'all. Hold on. Ooh, I put some water in here, y'all. So like I could brush things off like my hands or whatever. And I got like a lot of sand on y'all, but oh yeah, cause the rock. You see the rock? And I could like brush it off in the water, and now it looks all clean. But yeah. But I'm gonna show you all like the tools I have. I bought it like in this big pack. Ooh. Yeah, I just made something. Ooh. I did this. I was doing this and then it brought up. Like y'all. Yeah, I'm about to serve y'all some curly fries. Hold on. Let me just give y'all like a plate or something. I'll use this one, I guess. I'm gonna give y'all some curly fries. And say, I'm gonna give y'all like a pound of curly fries. Oh, hold on. Oh, it's fishes swimming in there. Look, I don't know, like, y'all, I caught a whole bunch. Oh my gosh, do y'all see it? Look at it swim. Look at it go. Oh, hold on, y'all. I'm about to mess up my phone because I got sand and water. Hold on.
Okay, you can't see it now. You can just see your shadow.
Yeah. Okay, so you guys, this is the plate for y'all curly fries and fish. But yeah, y'all, the fish right here is kind of messed up. And then y'all got some curly fries. So I'm gonna go. This is y'all season now, okay? Pretend it's black pepper. And we just go put it on your thing.
He said black pepper. That is hilarious.
Okay, I kind of put too much, y'all, but that's okay.
Can you please explain what you built, Miss Isis the Goddess?
Okay, so right here, I was supposed to add water right here, but it's just gonna mess it up, so I didn't. So, but I put seashells on here. I put them all over the thing, and it was in this mold, but the mold, but I just made it like a circular. And this one, I put like one seashell on it, even though it's more bigger. But yeah. And then I have the little things right here to know that it's a castle and not nothing else. And this is where the steps go, right here. You can't really see the steps like that, but you know, that's where the steps are, and just like that. But this is where like all the water will be coming from, you know, and then it goes all right there. But I couldn't put the water.
You tried?
Huh?
You tried?
No.
Try it so we can see what happens. She didn't even try, y'all. Oh, she got Isis. You could have tried with that water.
It was dirty.
Isis is dirt. That's just gonna go into more dirt.
Hold on.
Okay. So she can get some water, y'all. A little bit, not a little bit. That's a lot.
No, but it has to like go up and go all around.
Okay.
It's going somewhere, you guys.
Slay.
This one has to be like deeper.
You need some more water?
Yeah. I'm gonna do this. I just have to get to that side. Oh shoot, I accidentally added a lot, y'all. Y'all, this is the end, and look how the bird walking. He like this. But anyways, y'all, this is the end of my vlog. Make sure to like, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see y'all in the next one.